guys, welcome back to another shorty video. Today's install should be one of the easiest that we've done in quite a while, but yet still make a huge impact on the truck's look and attitude. So I figured since it is going to be so easy, let's change up the scenery, do a little public parking lot install, even though absolutely no one is here, which I am okay with. It's about to storm, so we might end up getting rained out. But if we take a look at the front of the truck, it is pretty much dialed. Aside from having our lower valance, the Denali front swap, treating me right. But if we work our way around to the rear, it is nice and clean. However, it's not very aftermarket looking, right? It's, you know, it's clean, looks clean, but we got these gigantic red taillights that stand out pretty bad. Swapping it out for, like I said, something that might be a little bit controversial, but should definitely give it a much more modified feel. Let's check it out. All right, so let's go ahead and see this big controversial change that we're going to be doing, going from the factory red ones to, drum roll please, clears, chrome taillights, whatever you want to call them. Hopefully we have clear bulbs in these that we can swap these orange ones out for, because those look absolutely terrible. But it's definitely going to change the look a ton and probably give it that, you know, modified feel that I want versus these. We'll see. Makes sense. Chrome, clear. We got chrome wheels, bumpers, the front end. Should all tie in together really nice. With that said, only one way to find out. So all you're going to need today is a Phillips head screwdriver. Oh, and I totally forgot, our third brake light is pretty much the same thing, just a chrome clear LED one. Should look good. All right, one Phillips head screw, two Phillips head screw. We now have one bolt here and the sheriff over there in the bathroom or the storage. I don't know, something weird. All right, we should just pop them out just like that. Then take these, twist, yay, that one's clear, that one's clear, that one's last fit, and that one is possibly burn up. I am hoping we don't need all of this harness. We can just swap the bulbs over. I don't know why in the world we would need all of this. It's the exact same appearing. Well, let's see. Will the reverse light fit in there? Please. Pretty please. Yes, it will. Come on, everybody. Mr. Popo is eyeballing us. Will he come talk to us? I'm not sure. Oh, yes, brother. Yes. Fitment. Let's see before I get too excited. So here's our problem. This little tab is hitting, which I'm assuming is there for lining it up, but that fits pretty good. But that is far away. Unless we push that behind, and that gets the light all wonky. Okay, I'm liking it. Let's do the bottom. I can't really say that fitment is perfect. It's bowed out a little bit right here in the bottom, sucked in there. It's not terrible. It's kind of cheap tail lights, of course, but yeah, let me throw the one in over here and see if it gets any better or if it's worse. So let this be a lesson to anyone that wants to film videos but can't do it at your house. Go find a big empty parking lot and just post up and film it. I mean, worst case, someone comes and kicks you out. I don't know if I'd do any like driveline modifications, not on your property, but yeah, taillights, headlights, that kind of stuff. It's pretty easy that, you know, you can do pretty quick. Go do it. But I would definitely advise bringing more tools than I did. I was like, oh yeah, this is easy. It's just a Phillips head screwdriver. I brought two of them. Can't get these freaking tabs off without pliers. It's literally killing my fingers. Can't get them off. Can't get them off. Fitment on the taillights definitely ended up being a little spotty, but we're going to continue with the installation to at least get a good look of the whole thing done. Clearly cracked and full of condensation, but headliner's good in here somehow, so it hasn't leaked, which is very surprising. Why is the plug for the new one so freaking long? Okay, let's find that out. It is blazing too. Good gosh, how in the world did that seal hold? That's crazy. So, will it fit? It does. Wow, I'm actually shocked. I don't know why it's got all this extra garbage, but it does. That's upside down. No, it's not. Okay, I need to put the little seal on there anyways. I was gonna silicone it, but we not for the time being. Forgot to bring any detail spray, so a little water's gonna have to do the trick, Bo. Should be just like that. Hopefully I didn't do it upside down. All right. Plug this guy in. Is my phone. Thank goodness I made the conscious decision to bring the jump box because Shorty was dead. Gosh, oh, we got to go down to the parts store and check our alternator and our battery because something just ain't working right. Part of me really does like it, but then the other part is like, I don't know, it's a little tacky. But we're probably not gonna leave it just because fitment's not great. Sorry about the sound. I'm not sorry because it sounds glorious, but you gotta leave it on because the battery's about to die. A little gappy, and it wouldn't be that big a deal, but you can see the freaking screws in there. Yeah, you can paint them, but it's still, I mean, I hate putting stuff on that doesn't fit as good as what came off. It's just kind of a downgrade, but I definitely do like the third brake light. That looks super good up there. But these guys, I don't know. Maybe if it was black around instead of like red, that would look better as well. And if they fit better, I was gonna actually paint them, get some color match paint and paint them like a lot of the other guys do. Keep the middle clear or chrome, but you know, tape this off, color match around. But since they don't fit that great, yeah, it's probably gonna be just a test, just to showcase them for y'all, I guess. So I mean, I'll put a link to them in the description, but definitely buy them at your own risk, knowing that the fitment is probably not gonna be what you want it to be. But it does look freaking sweet. It does tie in really good together. The more that I look at it, the more that I do kind of like it. I have completely sweat through my clothes. I'll tell you what, I've been sitting in the AC for a couple minutes, just cooling off. But successful parking lot install, I would say. Thank goodness I did bring the jump box though, because that would have been real unfortunate. It looks so much different. Like I said, I love the third brake light, and I like the tail lights, but I don't know if they're gonna stay. Sorry if the wind's wrecking y'all. I hate they don't fit great. We'll leave them on there for a bit. These also could possibly draw a little unwanted attention to you because there's no red. It just depends on, you know, how the watchers be watching, if you get my drift. But yeah, that's her, boys. So definitely leave a like if you did enjoy. Subscribe if you're new. Ring that bell notification. Check out the links in the description. But that's it. I'll see y'all boys in the next one.